Alright, I'm back again to talk about the filling out the demurrer, and here's what I'm going to be doing. These are the technical things that are going to help me get this done. The first one I found is the Sacramento County Law Library, and they have quite a bit of information in a general sense that I can read and understand what I'm doing before I get started. So I'm going to just read this page. It's pretty long, and I'll just see what I get and how far it goes. This one is another California freelance paralegal. They have good information about how to do it and exactly what to say, things that I'm going to be able to read, and once again they have an example of the form and how you're going to do it. So that gives me another, not just one person showing me. I now have two, so mine needs, if I have differences between those two, I need to figure that out. But as long as those two are the same, I will do the same thing. Again, another one. And then this is an amazing site, and thank God for it. What is it? The California Litigator. These people are going to get us a gold star, because what they've done here is they've explained all of a demurrer. The ability to do a demurrer comes under a certain California rule or law, and I don't remember. I'll find a number here somewhere. But what they're doing is, here's the law, and then down here under grounds for demurrer is the whole list of them, A, B, C, D, E. And what this whole bit right here is an actual cut and paste copy out of the law. Okay, where she says note, that's her words, but where it doesn't say note, this is her cutting and I don't know if it's this lady, but anyway, the person has cut and pasted this out of the law. So what I need to do in my two paragraphs that I just discussed that I have to write is I need to say which one of these things I'm going to talk about. In other words, the people charge me the wrong amount of rent. How is that wrong? Is it wrong on letter A, B, C, or D? Because these are different reasons that they have to do things right. So I need to know which one of these is the reason they shouldn't have charged me the wrong rent. And I need to refer to that on my top of my page. So this is a gift, because otherwise I would have had to go search in California state law somewhere and find it myself. But this person has already put it here, so I'm thrilled. And then beyond that, there's just all kinds of information that I'll read and get back to you on, more in the bottom. This is another site. I don't know what. Avo, have no legal fear. Well, thank you. Okay, anyway, this is a whole thing. Demurrer as an answer to civil case. Is there even such a thing? And the answer is yes. And in the state of California, not many states, but yes, here there is. And it says, what's the purpose? And I'd say clean up pleadings and eliminate affirmative defenses. And an affirmative defense is when they'd get it thrown out because it's wrong. Like if we got to court and they were charging me the wrong amount of money, then the whole thing would be thrown out. I don't even know what to say there, but we won't get there. We won't get there. This is more talking about general. This is general civil case, not eviction. So I'm just reading this to get some background on the demurrer. Here's another long one. Been sued, consider a demurrer. This is for owners and investors, but it's really good. Every single sentence in here has got something to help me, so I'm going to really spend some time on this one before I submit my stuff. And is that it? Yeah, here it is. But finally, this is the California State Court Judicial Branch, court.ca.gov self-help HTM, and this is the state actually telling you how to do it, and here's their eviction, and I can go through every single thing, and I will read every single thing to make sure in my unlawful detainer summons, which is what this thing is, what do I need to do, and it's going to tell me all kinds of stuff. Look at how long that is, so that's going to help me. It's going to be about 4 a.m. when I start, and like I said, I am going to try to be done by 8 and be ready to go to court and go down and see who I need to see at about 10. So we'll see how that goes. Thank you.